Hello, I will show you how you can prepare night serum at home that will remove all the blemishes, spots from your skin and your skin will glow like never before. To prepare this serum, you will need fresh aloe vera gel and lemon. If you have extremely dry skin, then you can also add honey in this, and if you have sensitive skin, then you can also add some drops of cucumber juice. Let's see how to prepare the serum. Here I have one aloe vera leaf. One thing which is very important here is, once you cut the leaf, you will see a yellow liquid coming out, which is harmful for skin. To remove this liquid, make sure you hold the leaf at 45 degrees for 2 minutes and then wash it. Once you wash the leaf, which I already did, now let's extract the gel. For that, cut the leaf into pieces and remove the top layer completely from aloe vera leaf pieces. Now scrape the gel from all pieces and take it into a bowl. Now take this gel into a blender jar and blend it very well. As you can see that result is very sticky liquid. I will transfer this liquid to a bowl. Now we have to add some lemon juice into this. For this much quantity of aloe vera gel, juice of half lemon will be enough. Mix it very well and your serum is almost ready now. Just filter it with the help of strainer to get a smooth serum-like consistency. For application, just dip a cotton ball in the serum and apply a thin layer of the serum all over your face. Make sure that your face is clean and dry before application of the serum. Leave it for 15 minutes and then rinse it off using plain water. In this serum I have used only two things, aloe vera gel and lemon. If you have dry skin, then you can add few drops of honey in this serum. And if you have sensitive skin, then you can also add few drops of cucumber juice into this. Also here in this serum, I have used fresh aloe vera gel. If you do not have aloe vera plant, then you can also use aloe vera gel available in market.